A lot of people recently are considering switching from Spotify to other music platforms, but the biggest problem is your playlists have been built over years. You've saved hundreds, maybe even thousands of songs, and once you switch platforms, everything is basically gone. So the real question is there a way to move freely between platforms without losing your playlists? Playlist.go helps you export your Spotify playlists for backup. It supports multiple formats, including M3U, CSV, XLSX, JSON, XML, and beyond backup, it also allows direct playlist migration between platforms. For example, Spotify to Apple Music, Spotify to YouTube Music, or even other major music platforms. Now, let's show you how to do it step by step. First, let's look at how to export your playlists for backup. Step 1. Log in to your Spotify account. Step 2. Select the playlist you want to export, either a single playlist or all playlists, and also your library. Step 3. Choose your export format. Step 4. Click Export and done. Now let's look at platform-to-platform migration. Step 1. Log in to your Spotify and other platform accounts. Step 2. Select the playlist you want to transfer in Spotify. Step 3. Choose your destination platform. Step 4. Click Start Transfer and the system starts matching songs automatically. Step 5. Once matching is complete, click Transfer again and your playlist is migrated. This tool isn't just for switching platforms. You can also use it to manage playlists across multiple platforms at the same time to keep a unified music library and create long-term backups of your music taste. So, if you're thinking about leaving Spotify but don't want to lose years of carefully built playlists, tools like Playlist.go make the transition completely painless.